Hey, so this is a slideshow that Mrs. Billy made that I think is really helpful because um, a lot of half points or full points were taken off on the Google Forms first time through because people were just kind of sloppy with their language, a little bit like inaccurate with the words that they were using. So I wanted to really clarify what we're looking for with each one of these words. When we're talking about electric charges, that's the plus and the minus, the positives and the negatives. So make sure you're not saying energy, make sure you're not saying forces when you're talking about this. The charge is just whether it's positive or negative, okay? A charged object is the object that is charged. So this is a neutral object, or you could say a neutrally charged object, positively charged object, or a negatively charged object, because this one has more positive charge than negative charge, and this one has more negative charges than positive charges, okay? When we have electric fields, those are the invisible force fields around a charged object with negative forces, with negative charges. Sorry, I said forces, it's charges. When there's negative charges, the arrows go inwards and the electrical lines, field lines go inward. And when there are positive charges, those electrical field lines go outward. So the electrical field is what's around the charged object. So when we have interactions, that's how they're interfacing, how they're interacting with each other, whether it's with attraction, where the positive is going right into the negative and they're hooking up real nicely, or whether it's repulsion, where their fields are kind of curving away from each other. That's an interaction. And an electric force is what we're talking about when we have those big yellow arrows that show how much direction there is between one and the other, whether they're attracting and coming towards each other or whether they're repelling and pushing away from each other. So charges, forces, electric fields, interactions, those are all good words. Electric field lines are all good words to know what they are and how to use them. Okay?